Hey, it's Don, the Auction Professor. Today I've got a few haul items for you here, and I also wanted to shout out one of the easiest ways to find more merchandise. It's so simple, most people don't do it. It's just simply asking if they have something for sale. Or if you see something, there's no price, it's not in a sale area, asking about it anyway. You can ask about so many things. Let me show you the first item here. Now, I was at an estate sale. No postcards or anything like that were out. Not much paper at all. I asked somebody with the family if they had any postcards. She said, yeah, they had them in the back. They were reading through them because they were family members, but they would sell them if I was interested. They then proceeded to bring out all of these postcards. There's, I don't know, 225 or so postcards here. I asked how much would she sell them for? $10. I paid $10 for these. There's some really nice real picture, real photo postcards. Real nice example. Not one of these is newer than about 1910 or so. So excellent, excellent, excellent score. Some really good cards, $10. Now, I was at the estate sale the very last day. So 3 days almost fully went by without anybody asking about paper. Me being the first one to ask about paper, I ended up finding this nice lot. There's quite a few real photo postcards. Nice condition, no issues with them. I can scan them, the whole works. Just a rough estimate, there's probably $400 or $500 minimum in this lot, maybe even more than that. You see what I sell postcards for. This one stack of postcards could net me $700 or $800 minimum. One postcard that I pulled out just with a quick glance should sell for $34.50 or higher right off the bat. It's a real picture, real photo postcard. There's about 25 more really nice images in here as well that are real photo postcards, and all the rest seem to be from small cities throughout New England. So that's just the thing. If you don't ask, you will not know. I don't care if there's a sale price on something or not. I will always ask them for it. I will also always ask if they will take less than whatever's on the item, unless it's, say, $1 or something. But if I'm buying many items for $1, I will bunch them together and at the end still ask for more money off. It works all of the time. I constantly ask people if they have items for sale, and a good chunk of the time they will pull out items just like this where I'm scoring. And these are just really nice postcards. I was really honestly surprised. And they have my number. If they pull out any more, they said they would call me as well. They have some more items going up next week, since they will do it one more time with some more items after they've had them all priced. So I will get another call ahead of time and buy them up as well. Now, another thing on asking, I ran across a bunch of vintage video games here. That's part of them. The rest of them are right here. Now, they had $4 on each game, and these are Wii's and GameCubes. People don't mess with Wii's and GameCubes as much. Probably didn't think much about them. In all honesty, I instantly was happy with what I saw here. I asked them what they would do on them all. Again, $4 a piece is what they wanted. I got them all for $25. My price back on these is going to be around $336 sale price. That should be what I sell these for. I think all but one or two of these will be listed up on Amazon for sale also. I will sell these on Amazon. I am ungated and stuff like this. I don't know what everybody else's standpoint is, but these will all sell in the collectibles games or used games as well. It's just the easiest way to get rid of these. I could sell them on eBay, the ones that I can't sell on Amazon. The best one in here, though, is Luigi's Mansion. I am going to play this before I sell it. Not only that, but it has all the instructions. It has the cards and paperwork with this as well. When they're complete, they do go for more money. It even has the mail-away warranty card and the warning sheet. So this is complete. This one alone I know sells for at least $50 with everything with it. The case is nice. The artwork's nice. It's just a really nice example of this. So again, right off the bat, I should get at least $50 complete on Amazon. I may get around $70 for this, but there was other ones here. Sonic DX, Hit and Run, which still goes for around $37.50. I mean, there's quite a few games here that I got. This one here should sell really quickly on Amazon too, and it's the Selects version, which does sell better than some of the other ones. There's a bunch that are only worth like $7 to say $10, but that's fine. They will definitely sell on Amazon. A lot of these games rank in the 3,000 or 4,000 ranking, or earlier than that. Some of these games rank in the top 1,500 games for this, so they will sell. They will get me a good return on my investment. After everything is all said and done, I should walk home after I pay the $25 in my fees with around $250. Honest, sincere estimate on what I should get for these 19 games, $25. So with just the $10 here and then the $25 on the game, I have $35 into this lot. I don't see any way I won't get close to $1,000 for these two lots purchased at local places. So again, $10 because I asked. And again, this sale ran for 3 full days. Not a single soul decided to ask what they had in the back, or did they have stuff that wasn't out. She showed me some other things that I just wasn't interested in that were not out either. So all it is asking. I don't know how many times I go to places on the last day, or places that everybody's looked through so many times that they don't go back anymore. But when I ask if they have more items, or I ask if they have records, or I ask if they have books or comic books or postcards, prints, vintage books, whatever I ask for, and they have some in the back, I'm scoring out above everybody else. The games is a perfect example as well. They would have probably been good buying a couple of them for $4 a piece, but at $25 for the entire lot, because I asked if she would take a better price, I'm going to do much better on them. You know, it's just a hair over $1 a piece, so everyone's going to net me a decent profit. So this is just the way I do everything like this. I will always ask wherever I go. If I don't see something out, I always ask. I don't know how many times that I've asked, especially with records or comic books, where they didn't think they'd have much value, or they thought they might take them to a comic store or a record shop. They have them there. They usually show them to me, and I'm usually able to purchase them prior to them going anywhere else also, just because I asked. Don't ever hesitate to ask. It's just like if you're in an estate sale, even the fixtures hanging from the ceiling, doors they will sell, all kinds of items inside a house they will sell, even if they don't have a price on them. All it means is you have to ask. Asking is one of the best things you can do to get more merchandise or to get a better price. Ask if they'll take less. Ask if they'll bundle it. Ask if they have different items that they're not showing. Ask if they have stuff in the back. Asking works over and over and over again. And I don't know what it is, but the majority of people just don't ask. If they look around, they don't see something out, they just leave. I spend the extra few minutes, I'll look around twice, and I'll ask. A large chunk of the time, the majority of the time, somebody comes up with something else that may have been in the back. So asking works quite often. But that's what I have for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button down below. You can also hit the bell icon to be notified if I post new content or go live. Subscribe and tell a friend.